In this video, we are going to see how we can recall a message or the email that is already been sent. So let's say that you have sent an email recently and then you realize that something is missing or an attachment is missing in that email, or maybe you have sent it to someone else and now you want to undo that email. It's already been sent. How we can easily do it? Let's see. First of all, let's click on compose and let's write recall test. And let's try to send it. As soon as we send, the email is already sent, but we have the undo option here. Just remember to click on this within the 3 seconds time period and it will be recalled. And as you can see, it is removed from the recipient who have already received the email as well. So now it is open back to us and now we can edit it, add something else, or change the sender, whatever we want. We can change the recipient. So let's see again. Click on send, and if you realize it's wrongly sent, you can click on undo. But just remember that, like you can see here, this option disappears within the 3 seconds. So if you go beyond that time period, you won't be able to undo it. So if you want to extend, let's say, this time period to 30 seconds, which is the maximum you can do in Gmail, you can extend that time easily on Gmail. But just remember that after that time period, you won't be able to recall it. So to extend the time period, we click on the top right hand corner, click on the settings gear icon, click on see all settings. And from the journal tab, we will scroll down until we see undo send option. We will set it to 30 seconds. That's the max we can set. And scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on save changes. And now it will reload. And we now have the option that when we send it, we will see the undo option for a longer time period. So between that time period, whatever we want to see, let's say that we have checked it in the send option. So during that time period, whatever we see, let's say we realize that we didn't attach something or something else. So we will be able to click on undo and it will be recalled right away. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.